Hello, friends. This is Dr. Krup Pasavada, and our today's topic of discussion is mode of action of Visha or Visha Gunanusar Karma. Here we have also included Visha Pranhar Kriya, that is very important. And this is point number 1.6 of CBDC new syllabus. So let us see pharmacological action of poison. इन फर्स्ट स्लाइड ये स्लाइड में हम विष के गुण देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम गुण की एक एक जो उसके जो कर्म है उसको हम डिकोड करेंगे। ये वीडियो को आप एंड तक देखिएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने कलर कोड वाइज यहाँ पे ये वीडियो को डिकोड किया हुआ है। सो रुक्षम उष्णम तथा तीक्ष्णम सूक्ष्मम आसु व्यवाही च विकासी विशदम चैव लघु पाकी च तत्स्मृतम। यस, सो दिस इज द होल श्लोका। ये जो है वो पूरा श्लोक है गुणानुसार कर्म का। ये श्लोक को हमने स्प्लिट करके आपको डिटेल में कलर कोडिंग से समझाया हुआ है। सो तद रोक्षात कोपयेत वायु उष्णात पित्तम सशोणितम। राइट, सो रुक्षता मीन्स कोपयेत वायु, इट विशिएटेड वात। उष्णता कोपयेत पित्तम शोणितम मीन्स विशिएटेड पित्त एंड रक्ता। मतिम च मोहेत तक्षणात मर्म बंधान छिन्नति च। सो तीक्ष्ण गुण जो है वो छिन्नित मर्मम मोहयेत मतिम। सो एन अनबैलेंस्ड माइंड and disintegrate marma, right? So if we will move ahead, sharir avayavan sukshmyat pravished vikaroti cha. So here for sukshma guna sharir avayan pravished means enters minute pores of the body very quickly. Asutvat asutat anti, right? So hanti shariram asu, so instantaneous action in the body. Then vyavai Vyavayat prakrutim bhajet. So what is prakrutim bhajet? Which derives normality of the body very quickly. Kshapayetcha vikashitvat doshan dhatu unmalanapi. So dosh dhatu mala kshapanam, right? Vikasi will does causes of destruction of dosha dhatu and mala, right? So if we'll see last part of sloka, Vaichat atirechat means Vishada atirichet, right? So does not stay in one part of the body. And duschikitsyam cha laghavat. So lagu means duschikitsyet, difficult to cure. Durharam cha avipakitvat tasmat kleshayate chiram, right? So avipaki means durharam and kleshayate chiram means difficult to eliminate from the body. So this is the reference of Shushruta Kalpasthana second chapter, right? From 19 sloka to 23rd sloka. Now, if we'll see Ashtang Sangra Uttar Tantra reference action of Visha or Visha Pranahar Kriya, that is Visham hi deham samprapya prag dusheti sonitam kafa pitta anilanschanu samadosham saha ashayan tatto hradayam asthaya dehochedaya kalpyate. So Visham hi deha samprapya prag dusheti sonitam. So Vagbhata has described the action of poison very clearly in Ashtang Sangraha. Visham hi deham samprapya. So poison after entering inside the body, prag dusheti sonitam, it immediately or first vitiate rakta. Kapha pitta anilanschanu samadosham saha asyan. Then vitiates all the sites of vata, pitta and kapha. And then tatto hradayam asthaya dehochedaya kalpyate means it gets stored into the heart and results in the death of the victim. Right? So once again, Visham hi deham samprapya, entering inside the body, pragadushyati sronitam, vitiated rakta immediately or fast, kapha pitta anilanschanu samadosha saha ashayan, so vitiate all the sides of vata, pitta and kapha, right? Tatto hradayam asthaya dehochedaya kalpyate, then it stores into the heart and results in the death of the victim. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon. Even you can comment on this video and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.